Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily remap buttons on your RAZER Viper V4 Pro. So, here we are, we got the RAZER Viper right here. What are we going to do now is we're going to go over and here we want to click on Customize. Now, as you guys can see, we got the scroll click, we got the mouse buttons, we got the scroll up, down, also the cycle up sensitivity stages, but it is at the bottom of the mouse right here. So what are we going to do now is we're going to go over and we can remap each button. We can click on the scroll click for an example, and here we can change it, let's say AI chat, ChatGPT. And as you guys can see now, whenever we click on the scroll wheel, we should be able to open up ChatGPT and it is open. So we can try again. And we got ChatGPT right here, so it is working. We can also do the same for, let's say, AI Launcher, but we're gonna go and change it to Microsoft Copilot. Now, as you guys can see, I'm clicking the button right here and it opens up the Copilot. Also, we can change this button to, let's say, keyboard function, and we can go over and bind it as, let's say, F19, and now it is F19. Here we got the right click, we can simply leave it. Now scroll up, we can go over and change it as the scroll left for an example, and here we can change it to scroll down. So it'll be the same. Now here we can change it to AI Launcher too. And we can go for AI Prompt Master. And here we're gonna select the image. So now let's click it. And as you guys can see, we got the AI Prompt Master right here. We got the AI engine. We can create an image. And of course the number. And that's basically how you guys can remap your keys. Of course, if you want to change it, then you go over and click default. So you click on this icon right here. Now you can simply do it for every single button that you changed, and every button that you changed will be green. So as you guys can see, we are back to normal, and that's basically it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.